Hello guys, I'm back with another one. So lana ngizobe ngichubeka where I left off la engigcine khona leya video leya. So it's going to be a short one, one of the shortest in the series. So lana ngicela uku-explaina i-power of 3 or i-ACD. Why ngithi ACD? Is it ACD there? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, AMD, not ACD. So yeah, ngicela uku-explain i-power of, okay, angithandi lo of 3 or AMD. So i-power of 3 indlela i-candlestick lifomeka ngakhona, ne-AMD indlela i-candlestick elifomeka ngakhona. So ma-understand, let's say njengoba bengisho ukuthi kumele uyenze i-research yakho. Let's say uzo-understand i-power of 3. Ma-understand i-power of 3 kuyafana nokuthi u-understand ini i-accumulation, manipulation, distribution, ne? So njengoba bengisho ukuthi indlela i-candlestick lifomeke ngakhona. So i-candlestick lifomeka, let's say i-bullish candlestick na. Bullish candlestick lizoba so. Okay, so yilo lelo. Maliqala i-candlestick, licala lenzani? Lizocala li-accumulate, ne? Bese liya-manipulate, ne? Bese liya-distribute again. Sorry, liya-distribute, ne? So i-accumulation le, i-manipulation le, bese i-distribution le for i-bullish candlestick. Into eyenzakalayo lapho. So i-power of 3, njengoba bathi i-power of 3 basuke bakhuluma ngalama-session lawa ayi-3 ukuthi kuyenzakalani kule session yokuqala, kule yes-2 nale yesi-3, nayithola. So mangabe nawu-understand ama-session, sinani? Sine-Asian session, sibe ne-London session, bese siba nani? Ne-New York session. New York session. Mangabe u-trader, let's say ama-GBP pairs, kamele ufocus ku-London, angisho. Uyazi ukuthi okay, most of the time i-distribution yami ingayenzeka during London session, but sometimes inokuyenzeka nange-New York. Mangabe u-trader ini? Ama-GBP pairs, GBP, like GBP, USD, GBP, JPY, GBP, NZD, or abo-Euro, EUR. So ma-trader abo-Euro, USD, Euro, NZD, Euro, yeah, lawo ma-pairs lawo ufocusa on ini? I-London. Then mangabe u-trader abo-USD pair, USD JPY, USD ZAR, USD NZD, ufocusa ku-New York. Then amanye ama-pair ungawabheka, but angithandi ukubheka i-Asian session because la e-South Africa yenzeka ebusuku kakhulu, ekuseni nasebusuku, so asiyibheki leyo session leyo, ne? Okay, so the series of these up and down candlesticks, ngicela ukuyibhala phansi le nto le. The series, so i-series buningi bamakhandlela. The series of these up and down candlesticks, they print. So the printer, they lift or print, they leave behind ama-footprints. They print price action, i-price action. So i-price action ikhozwa yiwo ukumuva kwalama candlestick lawo. So visually Yeah, price action visually through lama candlestick la candlesticks. Angazi isilungu sami si-right. Through candlesticks. So uku-understand i-market flow kubalulekile. Ne? Understanding the market flow is very important. Understanding market flow is important. So i-market flow yiyo-ke le power of three or i-accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Network. So bayibiza ngani? The institutional, the institutional market or order flow. Singasho kanjalo. Order flow or market flow. Order flow. Okay. Order flow. The institution order flow follows the power of three. Power of three. So i-power of three njengoba bengisho ukuthi yini? I-accumulation, uku-accumulate kwama-orders, accumulation, then manipulation, to manipulate kahle kahle clear, yeah, manipulate i-sell side or i-buy side, ama-sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity. Then kuba yini? I-distribution. Yiyo le power of three. So 1, 2 and 3, or accumulation, manipulation, distribution, which is AMD. Singasho kanjalo. So yini accumulation? I-accumulation singasho ukuthi uku-accumulate kwama-orders, yila ama-order a-accumulate khona. So visually thina siyibona ngani? Nge-consolidation or la i-market beyime khona isikhathi eside. Singayi-explain-a kanjalo. So when price is accumulating buy side orders, or sell side orders, we will visually mangithi visually ngibona echathini, visually see a consolidation. Okay, ngicela ukuphuza kancane ngi-charge le. Okay, sorry about that. Back. So njengoba bengisasho ukuthi we visually see a consolidation in price. So a consolidation, it's when a price move left, right, like it move sideways, ne? In price. Price moving sideways. Ngasho kanjalo. Price creating, yeah. Singathi creating equal lows, equal lows, EQL, and equal highs, and equal highs. So i-consolidation ke leyo. So during accumulation phase, it's when accumulate ama-buy side nama-sell side. Now, mangizosebenzisa i-line chart, suke kuyenzeka into eso, like price iyaphezulu, iye phansi, iye phezulu, iye phansi, iye phezulu, iye phansi, iye phezulu, iye phansi, iye phezulu, iye phansi, kanjalo kanjalo. But iyamuva yona, niyayibona makuhamba isikhathi masilibele sihamba yona iyamuva, but imuvela like between i-range, niyayithola. So le range lana sithi yini ama-equal highs, because le high le iyalingana nale high bayalingana, niyayithola. So thi yini ama-equal highs. So EQH, so ungafaka no-S omncane lapha for highs, yeah. Then kube ama-equal lows, equal lows, niyayithola. So yiyo lena i-accumulation phase. So during i-accumulation phase, njengoba bengisasho, ama-equal highs nama-equal lows, njengoba bengisasho ukuthi during accumulation phase ku-accumulator ini ama-buy side nama-sell side, ne? And i-buy side ne-sell side nihlale nikwazi ukuthi i-buy side it's liquidity and i-sell side is liquidity, nama-equal highs la i-buy side angisho, sorry guys. So lana yini i-buy side, then ngapha yini i-sell side. Sikubizwa ngama-liquidity lokhu kwethu, konke lokhu nalokhu ama-equal lows, equal highs, sithi yini i-liquidity. So kahle kahle during i-accumulation phase suke ku-accumulator ini i-liquidity, both side. So singasho kanjalo during this phase, price is creating liquidity, or yeah, is creating liquidity above and below, and below. So above is here and below is here, keep in mind. So ngasho ukuthi above and below, so we call them equal highs, them meaning lama liquidity lawo siwabiza ngani, ngama-equal highs / buy side liquidity, or equal lows, which is sell side liquidity. So i-accumulation phase ke le yinto ozitholayo ku-accumulation phase. Then usually mina ngitrade i-GBP JPY esikhathini esiningi, so usually i-accumulation phase yenzeka during i-Asian session, then kube i-London session. So during i-London session ila ngizothola khona ini, i-manipulation phase, so i-manipulation. So yini i-manipulation? I-manipulation, it is when i-price i-breaker It is when i-price iphuma phakathi kwani kwe-sell side or i-buy side. Uyayithola? That is i-manipulation. Ne? So mina angidefine kahle kahle. Ngiveze indlela yokuyi-understand-a. Ngingasho ukuthi i-price izocala i-break phansi. I-price will start, okay, will break below. So kuyadepend ukuthi i-direction ikuphi. So my-breaker below kuqala iqale mayizobreaker phansi kuqala kusho ukuthi siyasela, mayizobreaker above kuqala kusho ukuthi siyabhaya. So price will break below or above to induce orders. Let's say buy orders, buy or sell orders. Okay, sorry. So price will induce sell sell or buy orders respectively will induce buy orders or sell orders or buy orders. So mangithi respectively, sorry, breaker below, if price will start by breaking below, it will induce ama-sell orders, but if it breaks above, it will induce ama-buy orders. Isitshela i-direction ukuthi siyaphi namhlanje, ne? And futhi enye into ekamele niyibheke before i-market izomanipulate le side leli eli-smooth, ne? Let's say i-accumulation yethu le. Okay, so kule manipulation le niyabona le side leli li-smooth than le side leli because niyabona yenza lento eyenzile la, then nala. So usually price izocala yenzeni i-break the smoother side, I mean, sorry, ne? Then mayiceda ukuyi-breaker ibuyele phakathi bese sinikeze into ekuthiwa yi-market maker sell model. Mangabe ile case le bese yenzani, iyaphansi iyasela, then ibuye futhi bese yenzani, izosinikeza i-distribution phase yethu. So sithi yini le i-accumulation phase, bese le phase le yiyo-ke i-manipulation phase. Nayithola? Then sekuzoba ne-distribution, angithi siyaphezulu vele. So i-candlestick kahle kahle le. So sine-open, sine-low, bese izo-create-a i-high. Na i-open yonke lena bese izokutshela ukuthi ngiyaphezulu bese but ngizocala phansi. Nayithola? Bese iyenzani, iye phezulu nge-distribution phase. So i-distribution phase ngizokhuluma ngayo mase ngifika kuyo, ne? So lana emanothini wami ngibhala ukuthi price will break first the smooth area whether up or down as long as it is clear equal highs or equal lows. That movement, leyo movement le la i-breaker khona i-smooth side, or yeah, siyibiza ngani, leyo movement siyibiza nge-manipulation. So this movement right here is manipulation. Nayithola? Then ungasho ukuthi le phase le, this phase ne is the important phase, because this phase is where, so singayibiza ngani, phase of interest, phase of interest, interest, phase of interest, because majority of our entries happen in this phase, or occur in this phase of entries are executed in this phase. Okay, so manipulation kahle kahle market maker buy model or market maker sell model. So market maker buy model, sell model, sorry, is something like this. Then buy model is something like this. Market maker sell model, market maker buy model. Manipulation phase uzobona into ezikayo ila uzothola khona maybe ama-fair value gap wakho or i-order block or whatever. Ngizokhuluma ngawo ama-order block mase sifika kuwo. Ama-fair value gaps, ama-points of interest, I call them the points of interest. Then after manipulation, obviously seso-expecta ini ukuthi price isikayi, i-move of the day. So the move of the day happens during any distribution phase. So yini, distribution phase, ne? Good distribution phase, we call this the promised land. You can call it the promised land. It's like price move khona ke, so ungenile ngisho ku phase of interest yakho, then you just wait and see price yenzani, igaya lawo ma pips lawo, uyayithola. So we can say the promised land. So akusiyo i-definition of i-distribution. Distribution is when price is distributing or giving us the direction of the day. Uyayithola. Mina I'm just just using my language. Yeah. So the promised land, the promised land. This is what you are promised in every day, like every day, a distribution. So let's say we expect to sell, then we are executed during the manipulation phase, then the price sell. So obviously it's okay in what it promised you. Ikubonisa ukuthi ngizosela namhlanje. So then yenzani, isell. The promised land, this is the leg, this is the leg, for laba bayazi price bayazi ukuthi yini leg or expansion of the day, So singama day traders. Okay, I'm a day trader, ngiyi day trader, so I talk about days. Sometimes you can say expansion of the week, expansion of the minute, expansion of the year, whatever. So phuma with the expansion of phuma to trader, which type of a trader. So i-candlestick limuva ngokufana. Wonke ama-candlestick, whether uku-1 minute, uku-2 minutes, uku-5 minutes, or uku-1 hour, or uku-daily, daily or weekly, i-candlestick limuva ngokufana. So i-candlestick lizohlezi liso ne-week, nala lizohlezi kunani, ne-week, nala liyohlezi kunani, ne-week. So kusho ukuthini lokho? Kusho ukuthi i-power of 3 or i-accumulation iyenzeka ku-1 minute, iyenzeke uma ngabe ku-5 minutes or ku-2 minutes or ku-daily, iyohlezi iyenzeka accumulation, manipulation, distribution. angazi niya-understand-a le nto leyo. So if you can understand le nto leyo, yes, yes, you can go far. But then nisazobona mase sisiya ku-live price action ne, ningathuki. And I hope le nto inganibhori because lana ngizama ukuniyenzela i-theory ukuthi ni-understand-e before sizoveza ama-chart. Then mase sizoveza ama-chart ngamele nibe senistadishile le nto le because ngale ngizobe ngidropha ama-bangers wamampela like real bangers. So I don't want to confuse you mase sifike echartini. I just want to talk. Masifike echartini nje, I'm just expressing myself and my skill. So i-distribution phase, so bearish market uzo expecta vele ukuthi yenzeni i-accumulate. So i-New York session ne, so i-distribution or ku-bullish market uzo expecta into eso nayithola. So every time after executing kulento, after executing ku-manipulation phase yakho, you'll wait, you'll be patient and wait to see ukuthi i-market iya-distributor na in the direction le oyi-anticipating ne. So overall accumulation for i-sell is something like this. So let's see something like this. So not the accumulation, power of 3 for a cell, you'll see something like this. So accumulation, manipulation, accumulation, manipulation, then singasho ukuthi from la kuya le phansi le distribution, yiyo le power of 3. Then for your bullish price, you can have something like this. So it's nani accumulation phase, then even a manipulation phase, then the price starts to distribute from here to there, distribute. Mangabe ni studyile like the previous video, on the previous video being explained candlestick. So a candlestick mover in this pattern LSL. So sizothi yini open, this is a creator in a high, which is this high right here, the manipulation, this here distribute again. So it distribute here, you see now. So it's the open, it's the high, it's the low of the day, bese siba nani close. So it close ngaba into so nayithola, this is a closer la. Then for a bullish candlestick sizoba nani ne open, sibe nani low price of the day, which is the manipulation, bese yenzani iya distribute, bese maybe izo create high of the day bese iya closer. So open, low, high and close. Sorry, high bese close la ne. So now open, low, high bese maybe close, singasho ukuthi le close nayithola. Move akayi market guys, I hope I'm making sense. And this is a banger baba, Michael akayi-explain kahle, but then Michael udrop i-video namhlanje, izolo, sorry, izolo bekuyi-5. It's a lecture one, so if you are interested in him, just search Inner Cycle Trader, then uzomthola vele. You will get him. Udrop i-video izolo, lecture 1, explaining yonke le nto nami okay, not yonke, yena u-advanced bafethu, lo muntu ngifunde kuye. So yeah, udrop ama-bangers. So go and watch his video and my videos guys. I think ngizoyivala la for this session. So i-strategy sami sifolowa le nto le. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi uzongena la, cabanga entry yakho izoba la. Then uma sobona i-candlestick entry yakho izobe la, entry izobe la. Maybe target yakho kuzobe kuyi-previous day high. So uzoba i-TP yeah. Uyayithola entry market distributor bese uyaphuma la. So uzothola ama-sniper entries, they call them. Okay guys, thank you. See you on the other video.